Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Sirimen Anthony. You are welcome to First Aid Immigrant Solution. I beg, in case if you never subscribe, just hit the subscribe button so that anytime I upload new video, you go get alert for your phone or anything where you take the watch us. So the thing will make me come this evening or this morning where I say make I can't tell you what is they go on ever since where this lockdown don't finish. So now I say make I can't tell us say one of the things where government say you want to do for this new decree where you want come and so for this week. Today will be 5th of May, where government talk say this evening he go meet with the people where they call those labor workers, where Italo they call Sindacati. Say one meet them where they see rub mind together concerning what is they go on. For those people where never see get their money, whether they call a casa de integrazione, or those people where never see receive money for all those 600, where you see get seasonal work, or those people where see get intermittent contract. They see to say you officially click where you for apply for the IMSS website. They'll see give you the money again for this month where you see this. So you don't need to start everything all over now, just only one click now you talk. And then the president for constantly beg people who never see receive their money say may they not vex, but the money go soon come. They don't start to pay those people who see their casa the integration, but not be all of them. Now few they don't start to pay. Many of us will never see receive our money. You know, say as my face can be now, it be like bread wey don old. So I beg for those people who know say they have never received their money see they come for road. And then consider say he want to make sure say those people where the law not still fee cover for the one way if I do, like those people where they do domestic work where I felt of that day, and those people where they do abadante where they take care of old people. You see to say their law see they come. So the money go see big small, you see reach from 400 to 600. Now so they see they work on the money. So what if they can agree today and tomorrow? So before the man go come and come talk the law where we they talk ever since the April decree will come out for May. So that law where we they talk say April decree. So you need to meet with labor workers, all those association of those people where they open, where get companies, or where they run activities, where get VAT. So those people say go see meet with them tomorrow. Then at the end of the day, after they don't meet with different sectors, they go amend the decree before it will come through well for us before the week runs out. So now I say may I confess this shook us all this pin so that may we see there alert for anything where you know say go see come in the future time. For those people where see they pay for the shop where they get activity where they run, they pay for bills. So you say the government constitute say if you did that category and if you know say your money never pass 5 million when you earn for a year, the government say go help and see pay for store rentage or bills where go see come for 3 months. You say go see pay them for 3 months like that. So I say my first you can use this one to give you this information so that if this decree come out, all this one where they talk, so it will come out for this April decree where in the talk. So then the most important thing where I want to talk today be say, you know say for previous videos where I felt drop for long ago, I felt talk say anybody where their permit of stay don't expire for this period where they need to renew them. If you know say your permit of stay for that 31st of January till now where we see the talk, so when this coronavirus stay show face, you see I say tell you say your permit of stay valid till June 15. Now they can see extend the validity to August 31st 2020. If you know say your permit of stay die or your carta identity die or any other document where you know say you get will expire for this period, if you know say all those permit of stay, carta identity permit, then all those clearance where they call Lula Osta, So anyone wey know say e die or you wan convert your permit of stay to any other permit for now, or if you get asilo politico, you wan apply for titolo de viaggio wey dem dey call travelling document, for now everything don block. They say e dey valid till 31st of August 2020. But na still go Questora this morning. Now I can say update una say Questora still close till May 18. And the inspector tell me today, he say May 18 and they want to open. Say may we see the look their website if any other new innovation, whether they'll open before or after May 18. He say for now May 18 and they want to open. So if you know say you get any appointment for Questora for this period, and they talk about anybody for now, they say Questora will open till it will open on May 18. Now I can say my first can use this one. I can say advise our people, say not be say your paper expire, or not be say the paper don't already die for your hand, or the slip where you get, not be say you not use and they do anything. The law talks say from April 30th, you feel use that same document. You go see valid as if say the renewal till August 31st. So now from April 30th, now that law starts today. You know, say for this Cura Italia wave, the February come out for March 17. And if you look that Article 18 for 104, when the first talk before during my Facebook online video where I still do, it talk say those people with their paper expire, you go feel use until June 15. They can still extend that now, so they can say till August 31st. Then those people will still get seasonal permit of stay, whether they call permesso di soggiorno stagionale. Anyone will be seasonal permit of stay will they in renew or will it go expire for now. They thought say for those people will get seasonal permit of stay, their own they carry the expiring period to December 31st, 2020. While those people will still apply for visa, where their visa will see expire, or where they see apply for nulla osta or this clearance where they say may they take on do this seasonal work for this farm work or any other seasonal work, or whether you want to do this what do they call them, all this river work where they say they do for this summer period. All those ones are still seasonal work. If you know say you fall under this category, say you get permit of stay for stagionale or for seasonal, so it will expire December 31st, 2020. More than not fear. If you want to convert that seasonal permit of stay to working permit of stay, for now, you know, if you do until after that 31st of August, because of say everything now they say is still valid till that 31st of August. Now say me I can use this one, see tell us say now that one now be the latest we see dey on ground. So we still dey wait for the president of the Concilio where he gonna tell us say wetin be the April decree can still talk about. So for those people where you know say I talk about since where I tell you start this video, if you never watch and reach the end, make sure say you watch and reach the end, and make subscribe to my YouTube channel First Aid Immigrant Solution, and you click on like button and you click the agogo wey there, so that anytime I drop video you go dey alert for your phone. So if the decree come out, I will see come see educate us or come see inform us wetin the decree still talk. So my name still remain Anthony. Una bye bye.